In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use QuickBooks Online. QuickBooks Online is cloud-based accounting software that helps you track income and expenses, send invoices, and generate financial reports. Think of this as a guided tour to help you confidently navigate the core areas you'll use most. Start by opening products and services. This is your catalog of everything you sell: physical products, services, or bundles. Add clear names, prices, and link each item to the right income or expense accounts so reports stay accurate. If you track quantities, turn on quantity on hand and set a starting amount to keep inventory counts aligned from day one. Next, head to Expenses and Bills. Here you'll record vendor bills, categorize purchases, and manage due dates. Attach receipts to each transaction so your audit trail is complete. If you use bank feeds, create simple rules so recurring expenses auto-categorize, saving time and reducing errors. Now open sales and get paid. This is where you create invoices, estimates, and sales receipts, and monitor what's outstanding. Use professional templates, set payment terms, and consider enabling online payments to shorten your payment cycle. Recurring invoices can automate regular billing for subscriptions or retainers. Go to the Customer Hub to manage your customer list. You'll see contact details, open balances, recent activity, and statements. Keep emails and addresses up to date. Add notes after calls, and use custom fields to track details that matter to your workflow. Visit Team to manage user access. Invite teammates and assign roles based on what they need to see and do, like sales only, expenses, or full admin. Least privilege access protects your books and keeps sensitive areas restricted. Open projects if you track work by client or job. Projects groups income, expenses, time, and vendor bills into one place so you can see profitability at a glance. Log time, tag cost to the right project, and convert accepted estimates into invoices seamlessly. Check out inventory for businesses that stock goods. Turn on inventory tracking, set reorder points, and enter accurate starting quantities and costs so cost of goods sold calculates correctly. Use purchase orders to restock and keep an eye on what's running low. Head to tax to manage sales tax. Set up the correct tax agencies and rates. Review what you've collected and prepare filings. Always verify rates for your location and effective dates before sending returns. Finally, explore marketing to discover tools that can help you promote services and drive repeat business. Keep messaging consistent with your invoices and branding. As you move through these areas, click Save Often and use the Create button to quickly add new transactions from anywhere. That's your QuickBooks Online tour. Let's get you working smarter with your books.